Hello folks, Gary GSF, and this is the start of my retro tech. It's just because I was going on to one of my camera shelves and I found this. This was my real game changer in video. And I had video cameras before, like DVD camcorders. I had hard disk drive camcorders, but this was a game changer. I took an SD card. It filmed in 720 60 frames per second HD, and it was an absolute game changer. It's just a handheld device. It has a digital zoom, a 2x digital zoom, really nothing there, but for me, when I wanted to attach a camera to my motorcycle, this was the job. Really was the job. As you can see, this side, we'll give you a rundown, let you have a wee look at it. This side has the screen, and the other side's just a lens, and the microphone. The microphone is just there. So we'll get a closer look at it on the table. Okay, that's the little ZX1. Your power button is on this side. Okay, I'll switch that on. Now as you see, the screens come up. Now you've got HD 60 as your the 720p 60 frames per second. You go back down, it just goes to HD. That's 30 frames per second. Okay, and then back down again, you've got VGA. That takes you down to VGA, 30 frames per second. And then that's just for photographs. Okay, back to HD 60. That gives you a zoom in. You can see it's zooming in there. And zoom out. But it's only 2x digital zoom. And you know, digital zooms aren't up to much. Okay. You have here, that's delete. So if you go into the play menu and you want to delete a video, that's the one for it. That takes you back to the camera. That is just to the play, and that's the stop. Very, very simple operation. On this side, beside the power button, you have your HDMI slot. You've got your connection for the USB lead, and you have a power socket, but the power socket is you have to buy that as an accessory, and I never did. There was no need. And on this side, very difficult to get out because it is quite worn over the years. But this is where the SD card goes in, and there it comes. There you go. The SD card goes in there. So really simple operation, and I will let you see some of the video out of it. Okay, this is the ZX1 and the 720p 60 frames per second. I'll just do a pan round and let you see what it's like. This was a real game changer to me, I have to say. The first dabble in HD video. Right, now we're on the HD 30. Again, even to today, the quality isn't that bad. The only thing is no stabilization on the camera. That's makes it a bit difficult. And now we're on VGA. This is taking me back a bit, filming VGA. But I did gladly from time to time. One of the issues with this camera was when you got the low light. So just going to take you indoors and you can see what I mean. Now as the light dims, you'll find this isn't so smooth. The frame rate drops, and as you can see, it's not great in low light, but the frame rate drops and you get not so smooth video. Now that's been one of my favourite ever cameras. It's just it's not up to much now with the 720p, but it really was good in its day. It was just a real game changer for me, and kept my interest in cameras going more and more. So there you go. If you ever see one, it's if you get one cheap enough, it's worth a little bit of a play. But for now, thanks for watching. It's Gary GSF. Signing off, and thank you for watching. If you liked it, hit a like. If you Want to see more? Hit a subscribe and share it on as much as you like. It's always appreciated. So thanks. Bye for now.